right, bud. 2 to go.
Yes, we are back, and I think my one today should be the first. We haven't done that one in a while, so.
This one here?
Yep. Let's try it out.
Let's see.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, the old head hug. Okay.
To get a beat.
That's a good question. Let's see. Something great. Come on.
Anyway.
What do we got? Ooh, do we have a comet, Tila?
Yeah.
We did already?
Wait.
I'm losing track now. Where's our... We have a legendary Tila.
Grandma.
Yeah, we do. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. Well, that means we have one that we can hang on to. Good. To keep in the box as part of our originals collection. Awesome.
Hopefully we get a third. We can open it.
So we have one cube left, and you got to go, and you're going back to Mummy's today. So what do you think? While we're here, we have a couple minutes left. You want to just open this one, see what's in it?
Yes.
Let's just do it. All right, finish out the year. All right, strong finish. That's what I'm hoping for, right?
Yes.
Strong finish.
Please be a good one. Please also be good.
Epic or legendary.
A Cometilla would be good because then we can open one.
It's true. Orco! You can never have too many Orcos.
Yeah,
Nice.
Ooh,
318, another good number. There we go. All right.
Yes,
Look
we
at that
finished,
collection.
We finished them all, guys, so you won't be seeing us till we get any more.
That's right. We'll see. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not any more Wave 2 cubes, but maybe we'll get Wave 3 will come around at some point.
Guys,
so we'll see. But that's been super fun. We've got so much. I know some organization is coming to the backpack. They're working on that now, so maybe we can rearrange things and make a better sense of what we've got. So
you could could end up seeing us for Wave 1 again, maybe soon.
Yep, never know what's gonna be
3.
reopened. Cool. All right, we'll be back with more.
Bye.